All right, so good evening, Team Bohol, Mindanao, Cebu, Baguio City, Isabela, Cabanatuan, Bicol Region, Manila. All right, and entire Philippines na para isahan na lang. Okay, once and for all. Good evening, everyone, and tonight is a very exciting night. This is Saturday, and we are going to end this week strong so that by Monday we are going to start by Monday really strong. Okay. So start na tayo ng ating business presentations. So, i-mute ko na po muna kayo ha. And then later on you can unmute yourself for the Q&A. So if ever you guys have a question, so later on i-entertain natin whatever question you have. At least the management team or the company of the or our company representative will be the one to answer all of your questions live. So I highly advise invite all our future business partners, especially those investors. Papasukin niyo po sila. Okay, so start na tayo. Ang mga ipapakita ko sa inyo tonight, guys, is purely presentation, no hyping, purely facts lang po ang ipapakita ko sa inyo tonight. Alright? So, Solong, who are the people behind Solong? None other than Mr. Richard Ren, our Solong Executive Director. And his nationality is Australian, Singaporean, and Chinese. By the way, his background is that he is already been in global finance for 15 years. And he ba si Solong? Solong is a system software provider ni Realme, Vivo, and Honor. Okay po. So nag-start talaga po si Solong as a system software provider way back December 2022 pa po. Ulitin ko the company Solong started way back December 2022. Okay po. Now, the multi-level marketing side started last year, March. Okay. Now, beside on that, our CEO profile is that he is also being awarded as Asia's Best Banker. So, formerly, he is an HSBC branch manager in Chengdu, China. All right. So, that's the background of our CEO. He also have his own villa in Singapore with 5,000 square meter. O, di ba? In Singapore. Okay, so sabi rito, AI drives innovation, compute power growth. Here we go. So last year, way back March, we started 2024 for the multi-level marketing side up to this present. So ang MLM side natin, we started way back March pa. So roughly around 1 year, 4 months. No? Nag-roll out ng Solong. So sino-sino yung mga partners natin behind? Out of all 30 different companies na mga partners natin, itong tatlo lang yung gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo. The Tanverse AI Gaming, which is si Dota, ML, Mobile Legends, lahat yan pinagkakakitaan natin. That's the reason behind by December this year, we are going to launch as well our own platform, a new project na play to earn. O, di ba? Gustong-gusto natin yan, mga play to earn na ganyan. And we are also in partner with NVIDIA, the largest artificial intelligence company. And the last but not the least, the Google Cloud decentralized storage. So all human being on the planet that are using mobile phones, they are already our client. Why? Because they are using storage. Okay? So yan lang, ganyan lang kasimple. Now, moving forward, we already have different events happened already around the globe. And out of all those events, this one is one of my favorite. The event last November, which is the BC Horizons, co-hosted by Binance. So, co-host pa rin natin si Binance dito, no? So, yan. Also, pagdating naman po kay Solong, okay, si Solong po is also a layer 1 blockchain. Now, the Solong ledger is not yet live. Okay, hindi pa tayo live. Now, sabi rito, we have 30 million plus different wallet addresses, but currently right now we are still under Solana blockchain. And this data, hindi pa po ito updated, no? Last 2 months ago pa tong data na to. So, roughly around nasa 45 million different wallet addresses na ang Solong. And we already roll out about 45,000 Stellar phones. So the reason behind why our own ledger is not yet live is that we need to roll out a specific amount ng mga super nodes. Kasi yung Stellar phones natin are also the super node and mining machines. All right? So mamaya itatackle natin yan regarding with the products. Now, with this, for the past 16 months, we already captured around, I think, 15 different countries. But on the slides, it states here 10 different countries. So our company started in Australia, followed by Vietnam, Japan, and China. Take note, guys, China, we have 140 different offices. No, so itong China, we cannot easily penetrate the China unless your company is a genuine one and a very strong company. Bilang lang sa mga daliri natin yung kayang mag-penetrate na mga networking company or multi-level marketing company sa China. Yan yung kaya kong ipagmalaki. We also have a team in United Kingdom, Spain, Ghana, where our country manager, Mr. Bright Adam, residing Ghana, Africa, and then Nigeria. And we also have office in United States in Silicon Valley. We also have in Canada. And I would like to mention as well, we have our own office in Singapore, in Oxley Tower. Naka-register po yung pangalan ng office natin under Mr. Richard Ren. Okay? So yan naman po siya when it comes to global expansion. Now, as I've said, we are a system software provider ni Realme, Vivo, and Honor. And we have tangible products. So we have a Solong Stellar 1, which is worth $500. And then we have Solong Stellar True, $1,500. Solong Stellar 3, this is the fold one, no, $3,000. And we have the Lux L Fold, which is $4,500 with a storage of 1 terabyte. Okay, so this is like a supercomputer, and the camera of this one is made in Germany. So 50 times zoom in po ito, no? Ganyan siya kaganda. Now moving forward, we also have this L-Pad. Okay? $1,500 lang po yan. So maganda siyang gamitin for presentations. Okay, so congratulations to our 56 participants or 50 participants on the Zoom right now. Sige, keep on inviting because we have a very special guest tonight. Okay, now going back to our products, we have upcoming products, which is the Smart Band Watch. So this watch is not only giving you the time, but it is also going to give you 1% rebates daily. Oh, right. Talo nito ang Rolex, di ba? And also the smart glasses. So hindi pa man siya niro-roll out, hindi ko alam kung ano meron sa kanya, pero sabi rito, AR information linked to hash power. So definitely this one is node rin ang mangyayari dito sa smart glasses na to. So pag ini-imagine ko siya, the moment you use these smart glasses, you can definitely see the back of your clients. So makikita mo kung may pera o wala. Pag wala, tayuan mo na agad. Pag may pera, latagan mo ng milyon. Alright, and then the high performance miner machine, which is yan na po yan, yung mga mobile phones natin. And of course, the Elong blockchain. Now, if you are going to take a look on the company side, the company is not focusing on gaining profit. The company is focusing on building products, which is tangible and intangible products for people to use. And these products are one of the most impactful thing on the planet. That's why every time I have told to our members, just focus on this for at least 4 months. In just 4 months, we can definitely earn something that you can't imagine. All right. Later on, I'll show you the compensation plan, ladies and gentlemen. And the last but not the least, one of our products as well is the Visa Crypto Debit Card. Now, ang nasa likod ng Crypto Visa Card natin is Aspire. That's the company provider. And ang nasa likod ng Aspire is the DBS Bank. So all you have to do once you made a payout, because on our payout, meron po dyan fee, which is $2 and then minimum $50 lang ang payout natin. I-click mo yung payout, seconds lang, nasa wallet mo na siya. And then from your wallet, you don't need to go to Binance to cash out. All you have to do is to bring your crypto into our crypto debit card, and then from your crypto debit card goes to your bank account, or di naman kaya sa GCash mo, or di naman kaya sa GoTime. And then here we go. I'm done with the presentation ng company profile, but if you wish more further, no, based on facts, again, I'll show you how stable the company after this. No? So sa compensation plan, eto tayo. 1% daily. Actually, the types of membership, there is 2 types of membership. The first one is for you to buy a tangible product. Minimum amount is $500. Meron rin tayong $1,500, $3,000, $4,500. So it's up to you. The second membership is $100 minimum. All right, that's just 6,000 pesos. Staking naman ang tawag doon, or what you are buying there is the services of the company. That's what we call computing power input, right? In layman's term, that is definitely staking. All right, so sabi rito, average daily yield is 1%. Locked in for 365 days. So sabi rito, annual interest rate is 365%. But honestly speaking, it's not just 365%. Umaabot siya ng halos 3,400% or 34 times yearly. Alright? How? Because of the power of compounding. So may compounding po tayo every 7 days. Pwede ka mag-compound with a minimum compounding of $50. Now look, I made my own computation here. Okay, so ito kung makikita nyo, written by hand. So sulat kamay ko po ito. Okay? All right. So kung makikita nyo on your screen right now, with just a minimum of $100, 6,000 pesos. Your 6,000 pesos in 36 months. 3 years. Locked in. Walang galawan. This could become your retirement pay. How much? 191 million peso or $3.4 million in 3 years time. Ulitin ko ha. Yung 6,000 pesos mo or $100 mo could become your retirement pay. Lock in mo lang yan ng 36 months. Ang retirement pay mo rito, 191 million. Okay, by the way, baka may nagre-record sa inyo, no? I am not a financial advisor, so please make your own due diligence. All right? So, eto po. Papakita ko sa inyo, yung $100 mo, magwa 1% siya daily. And then, ang 1% niyan is $1. Times mo yan sa 50 days. Makakabuo ka dyan ng $50. So, pag hinit mo yung compound button, ma-add up siya sa kapital mo. Kaya naman, on the next one, sa baba ng $100, magiging $150 na yung kapital mo after 50 days. Times 1%, ang daily mo na niyan ay $1.5 times 34 days, makakabuo ka na naman ng $51. Mag-add up na naman yan doon sa kapital mo kapag kinumpang mo. In short, for the next 365 days, ladies and gentlemen, your $100 will become $3,168. Now, since you have $3,168, all you have to do is to take out the $168. At least you have your own capital. Todo mo siya, i-compound mo ulit $30. Nagti-$30 ka na ngayon daily. Alright? So every 7 days po, ayan o, for the next 365 days ulit, ang mangyayari sa $3,000 mo, magiging na po siyang $100,740 in 24 months time. Okay? Ngayon, on this scenario, withdrawin mo lang ulit yung $740. Iwanan mo ulit yung $100,000. Bakit? Itodo mo ulit yung $100,000 for the next 12 months. A total of 36 months. So dito, $100,000 mo times 1%. So nagde-daily ka na niya ng $1,000 daily. For the next 365 days ulit. Tignan nyo on the very baba. Meron ka dyan $3,411,220. Times mo yan 56 na lang ang conversion sa peso versus dollar. Kalalabasan yan 191 million pesos. Okay? This could become your retirement pay. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabing ito talaga ang kikitain mo. Okay? Dito, kahit wala kang recruit, even if you don't have any invites, just put minimum $100 and leave it alone for the next 3 years. After 3 years of compounding, here you go. You have $3.4 million or 191 million pesos. Sapat na yan for your retirement pay. Now, the only question here is that, Sir Chris, the only question here is that, tatagal ba kaya yung company after 3 years? Diba? Yun yung main question dito eh. Kumbaga, sigurado ba talaga dyan, Sir Chris, na tatagal ba talaga yung company for the next 3 years? Baka naman mamaya, after 3 years, wala na yung company, di ba? Now, again guys, we are also a layer 1 blockchain. Paano ko mapapatunayan na layer 1 blockchain? Ito siya. Okay, punta ako ulit dito. Again, I will present this business based on facts. Right? So, ito. Ini-screenshot ko na to kanina. Okay? Kasi hindi ako inaalaw ng Google Chrome na mag-share screen habang naka-zoom. So, sabi rito, si Solong is audited by CertiK. Okay? Sino ba si CertiK? Si CertiK kasi, ito siya. Okay? CertiK is the largest blockchain security auditor. Hindi mo pwedeng suhulan si CertiK. Kasi bakit? Tignan mo naman ang market capitalization ni CertiK. Hindi mo pwedeng suhulan yan. 530 billion ang market capitalization ng CertiK. Tapos sasabihin mo, masusuhulan mo siya. Hindi mo masusuhulan yan. Sino-sino ang mga client ng CertiK? Again, ino-audit niya lahat ng mga blockchain company. Ang mga kliyente niyan, ayan, kliyente niya. Sino? Who are the clients? Binance, Galaxy, Ethereum, Samsung, Apecoin, Wormhole, Venus, mga crypto.com, mga giant company. Oh, sino pa? Peter, Sandbox, Bitcoin.com, Apple, Ripple, Trust, ang daming mga giant company na ang auditor nito si Certic. Good news, our own auditor is also Certic. Okay? Now, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo rito, yung datos, no? Kung anong meron na data kay Solong. Nung inaudit siya ni Certic, ito po ang audit. Okay. Certic Security Assessment kay Solong. This happened on July 30th, 2024. Now, look at the findings. Certic assessed on July 30th, 2024. Executive summary. Ang types po niya or ang ecosystem natin, we are still under Solana blockchain. Pero gawa na yung ledger niyan ni Solong. It's just so happen, hindi niya pa muna nilalive. Kasi bakit? Kapag nilive mo na ang ledger ng Solong, lahat ng mga whales, bibili na sila ng coin natin. Dahil nakapublic na nga eh. Ngayon, dahil mauunang bumili yung mga whale, anong mangyayari sa atin? Pag nag times 10 na yung price ng coin, ang mga whale na yan, magdadump na yan, magsisell na yan. So this time around, ang ginawa ni Solong, pinapauna niya muna na yung community muna ang makasalo ng mababang halaga ng coin ni Solong, which is si A-Long coin. Na po? Kaya naman, the only way for you to get this coin, magsali ka sa AI RAM or di naman kaya mag-purchase ka ng gadget. Okay po? Now, look, out of the total findings ng Certic, 9 is already resolved, 1 is already acknowledged. Kumbaga nire-resolve na rin po ito ngayon. Pag tinignan mo rito, 0 critical condition. Walang critical. At least, the very good news about Certic, stable at mas maging matatag ang sarili nating blockchain. Remember that we are also a layer 1 blockchain. Alright? So, ganyan kaganda yung findings niyan. O, pati table of contents, nandiyan dyan. No? Now, may tinatawag pa tayong deepenscan.io. Dito sa deepenscan.io, because we are also a decentralized physical. Guess what? Pag chinek mo po yan, deepenscan.io, lahat ng mga decentralized physical infrastructure network na project nandirito kay deepenscan.io. Now, look, we are on the page 6. Ito po sa baba, page 6. Yeah. Okay? Now, ito si Solong. Ayan, Solong. Wireless Compute AI. Nandiyan po tayo. Listed po tayo dyan. No? Yan po yung kaya kong ipagmalaki sa inyo. Based on facts. Not only mga kuro-kuro, no? Hindi. Pag pipresent ako, based on facts talaga. Ngayon, punta tayo kay Solana Compass. Sabi rito, Solana Project, Solong. Redefine the decentralized physical infrastructure, new paradigm. Now, look. Ito siya. Okay, yung website ng Solong or Solana Projects. So Solong, sabi rito, what is Solong? Ito for your own advanced research na po ito. Okay, what is Solong? Solong is a pioneering project in Solana ecosystem that aims to redefine the paradigm of decentralized physical infrastructure network, DePIN technology, by harnessing the power of on-chain and off-chain data, efficient network management, and artificial intelligence. At its core, Solong is decentralized distributed computing platform that connects multiple hardware ports, both online and offline, to achieve computational power clustering. Through this innovative architecture, Solong enables a wide range of advanced AI capabilities to be efficiently delivered to end users. These include cloud, AI inferencing for complex tasks. Lightweight AI models optimized for mobile devices and seamless integration with specialized AI hardware. Alright, so how Solong works? Nandiyan siya. So, ito po siya, no? So, hindi na natin pa kinakailangan alamin how Solong works together with Solana. Okay? Ang importante rito, who is Solana? Solana is a layer 1 blockchain just like Ethereum. Ethereum is also a layer 1 blockchain. XRP, layer 1 blockchain. Remember, Binance is also a layer 1 blockchain. We've never met in person the people behind this layer 1 blockchain, which is already existed. This company already existed way back decades ago. Now, sino ba si Solong? Solong is also a layer 1 blockchain. Now, if you are going to ask me if we can still stand after 3 or 5 years, the answer for me, in my own opinion, the answer is that we can last 5 to 10 years from now. That is my own humble opinion. Based on facts, of gathering facts. Now, the good news is that what if 3 years from now, the company still stands and you put $100? Who will benefit the most? It's you guys. You can have a retirement pay $3.4 million or 191 million pesos. Yung 6,000 mo can become your retirement pay 3 years from now. Yan yung isa sa mga kaya kong ipagmalaki. Alright? Now, moving forward, I will continue the presentation. Sayang, hindi ko na-record. Pero sige lang, kabisado ko naman i-present ito and then I will do the recording soon. Alright? Now, moving forward, balik tayo sa compensation plan. Okay, all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is very simple. Okay, our team strategy is very simple. All we have to do is to do like this. Okay. Halimbawa, ikaw to. Okay, ikaw yan. Naglagay ka, kunwari, sabihin na natin, mas maganda maglagay ka ng $300. Why $300? Kasi, kapag naglagay ka dyan ng $300, okay, pag naglagay ka dyan ng $300, ang mangyayari sa'yo, 2% ka sa lahat ng group sales volume mo or profit mo, no? 2% ka. Ngayon, ang mangyayari rito, humanap ka lang ng dalawa. Okay, dalawa lang ang hahanapin mo. Isa dito. Right, hold on. Yun lang. Okay. Humanap ka ng isa rito and then humanap ka ng isa pa rito. Dala-dalawa lang. All we have to do is to duplicate by 2. Now, itong dalawa na to, sabihin na natin, all you have to do is to find at least 2 person who can put minimum 6,000 pesos or $100. That could become their retirement pay for the next 36 months or 3 years. Now, our program or goal is to duplicate by 2 every week. So itong dalawa mo, kukuha rin yan ng tagdadalawa nila down the line. Okay po? Dala-dalawa lang ang kukuhanin natin. Okay? Ito, kumuha ka dyan ng dalawa nito, magkakuha rin yan ng dalawa niya. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple yan. Ngayon, ang mangyayari niyan, since nagduduplicate tayo by 2, okay, kung kukumputin natin yan, sa totoo lang, you can earn as much as 2.2 million in just 4 months from now. How? Halimbawa, ikaw yan, kumuha ka ng dalawa ngayon. Yung dalawa mo, next week, kukuha rin ng tagdadalawa nila. So may 4 ka sa ilalim on the second level. Yung 4 na yan, kukuha rin ng tagdadalawa nila, 3 weeks na. Multiplied by 2 ulit, 4 weeks na. Times mo ng dalawa ulit, 5 weeks, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 weeks, ladies and gentlemen. Meron kang 65,536. Now, pwede mong sabihin sa akin, sir, ang dami-dami naman yan. Take note. Dalawa lang ang kinuha mo. Yung dalawa mo, kumuha rin ng tagdadalawa nila. Kasi ano, ikaw lang ang gustong magkaroon ng retirement pay? Hindi pa pwede. Gugustuhin rin nila na sa 6,000 pesos, Ang laki ng possibility na after 3 years, magkaroon rin sila ng 191 million. So ito times mo yan lahat. Naglagay tag si 6,000 pesos or $100. Magkano sales volume mo? $6.5 million. Now, sabi rito sa compensation plan, kung gusto mo talagang kumita, no, sa leadership bonus, dapat maglagay ka minimum $300. Sa $300 na yan, kikita ka dyan 2% daily volume. Ibig sabihin, kung $6.5 million ang volume sales mo, it times mo lang yan sa 0.01, this is your group sales volume profit daily. Out of the profit daily ng group sales volume mo, it times mo lang dyan yung 0.02%. So 2% ka daily, nagwa $1,310 ka na every day, 4 months from now. Because 16 weeks is 4 months. Di ba? Ito, 4 months mo lang itong trinabaho. Duplication by 2 lang. Now, i-times ko yan sa 56 ang conversion versus dollar into peso. Kumikita ka na ng 73,400 pesos every day. Times 30 days, you can earn as much as minimum 2.2 million pesos 4 months from now. Minimum pa lang yan. Bakit ko nasabing minimum? Kasi nga, kahit one leg lang ang gumagalaw, pwede ka pa rin kumita hanggang 17% sa daily profit ng grupo mo. How? All you have to do is mag-top up ka or magdagdag ka ng kapital mo. $3,750, magiging S5 ka na. Yan po yung nasa may bottom part, yung gold, nakalagay S5. Okay? So pag pinagbasihan natin rito, kapag naglagay ka ng $300 or kahit na sino mang mga membro mo down the line, hindi nila gugustuhin mag-withdraw ng kapital nila or profit nila. Kasi bakit? Maghahabol sila sa ranking. Ang ranking rito, the more na mas mataas ang kapital mo, the more the higher the rank. And second is the volume sales. So dito, ang volume sales lang na requirement for S5 is $45,000. Eh meron ka na ng $6.5 million. Sobra-sobra pa sa qualification. So nag-upgrade ka, $3,750. 17% ka na ngayon. So ang mangyayari, lahat ng downline mo naka $100. Ikaw lang ang nag-iisang nag-upgrade ng $3,750. Ang daily profit sales volume mo is $65,536 times 0.17%. Ikaw ngayon nagde-daily ka na $11,141 every day. Times ko yan sa 56 conversion in peso, you can earn as much as 623,000 every day. Times 30 days, you can earn as much as 18.7 million pesos every month. Anong rank mo? S5 pa lang. O, di ba? S5 pa lang to. Eh, paano pag S6 ka na? O, sa S6, ladies and gentlemen, eto siya. Para maging S6 ka, dapat ang kapital mo, $5,400. And dapat meron kang S5 sa isang leg mo at S5 sa pangalawang leg mo. The very good news about our compensation plan is that unlimited dip po tayo. Walang limit pagdating sa lalim. Halimbawa, yung isang S5, ika 1,000 level deep. Sa pangalawang linya mo, ika 10,000 level deep. Okay lang, madidetect ng system yan, magiging S6 ka na. Imbis na 17% ka lang, magiging 21% ka na. And for you to become S7, kinakailangan $7,500 na ang account mo. May dalawang S6 ka sa ilalim, katulad sa akin ngayon. Dalawang S6 na sa ilalim ko. So ang current rank ko, S7. 25% ako sa mga group sales volume ko. However, meron tayong tinatawag na breakaway. Ito po, merong S6 sa ilalim ko. So 21%. Dapat 25% ang kikitain ko. Kaso may S6 sa ilalim ko. Sa kanila napupunta yung 21%. So the difference is 4%. At least may 4% pa rin ako. Ngayon, pag tinignan natin yan, nandirito yung current status ng account ko. Okay? At least papakita ko lang sa inyo. Hindi para ipagyabang po ito, no? Pinapakita ko lang ito sa inyo para makita nyo rin kung gaano to kabilis trabahuin. Tinatrabaho ko pa lang po ang Solong for the last 2 months. Ulitin ko for the last 2 months. Ito ang current account ko. So meron akong account. Ang capital ko is 12,186 na nagsimula lang with the amount of $2,500. Yung total claim, anong ibig sabihin niyan? Nakapag-claim na ako or nakapag-withdraw na ako ng $8,169. Okay po, nakapag-claim na ako $8,169. Now, ito naman CPI release. Anong ibig sabihin ng CPI release? Nakapag itong CPI release po, pag claim ko yan, mapupunta yan agad-agad sa wallet ko. Okay po, mapupunta yan sa wallet ko. Ngayon, from my wallet, pwede mo na yan ilagay doon sa crypto Visa card. Okay po. Now, ito ngayon yan. Okay, so sabi rito, total asset valuation. I have $10,795. Dati nasa 6,000 lang yan. Umakyat ng 7,000, umakyat ng 8,000, umakyat ng 9,000. So saan nang gagaling to? Ito po ang leadership bonus ko galing sa mga miyembro ko na naglalagay rin ng mga token. I highly advise ang gawin nyo po, bumili kayo ng USDT from peso to USDT, and then pag naka-USDT na siya, pwede mo na siyang i-convert kay SOLG, o di naman kaya bumili ka ng XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bonk, Sui, Trump, BNB, Solana, okay? Any of those coin or token, i-hold mo lang siya. Pero habang hold mo siya, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa CPI, i-staking mo. Para habang inaantay mo na mag times 10 or times 100 yung coin na hino-hold mo, at least daily, nag-earn siya ng 1% daily. Nag-earn ka na ng 1% daily, tapos pag nag-times 10 pa yung coin na hino-hold mo, edi doble-doble ang kita mo. Di ba? Mas malaki ang kikitain mo. Ngayon, ang maganda rito, ito na siya. Ang dami. May bonk po ako. 11.8 million ang bonk ko. Pero hindi ko naman yan binili. Galing yan sa mga downline ko na naglalagay rin ng mga bonk or mga holder ng bonk, Shiba, BNB, Tron, Trump, Sui, Solana, di ba? Dogecoin. Yan ang hanapin nyo. Yung mga holder lang ng mga crypto or mga token. Sabihin mo sa kanila, habang inaantay mo yan na mag times 100 times 1,000, i-staking mo muna rito para nagwa 1% daily. Di ba? Ganun lang kasimple. Yan, may People, Jupiter, WIF, Cake, Filecoin, Pepe. Yan. Pag pwede nyo ilalagay yan rito. Ngayon, tignan nyo po ang volume sales ko. Ang volume sales ko ito, yung team USDT. Nasa 3.9 million na kaagad. Dati nasa 3.4 lang yan. Ngayon nasa 3.9 million na. Isang linggo lang ang nakakaraan. Ang personal ko or capital ko, $12,186. Now, ang rank ko, kung makikita nyo sa may upper left side, S7 ang current rank. Now, kung kukumputin natin yan, kung S7 ang rank ko, no? S7 ang rank ha. Ngayon, pag binalikan natin to, 2 buwan ko lang tong trinabaho. Ngayon, tignan nyo kung S7 ang rank, ibig sabihin yan, qualifier na ako sa S8. Kasi bakit? Kinakailangan ko ng 12,000 na kapital. Check, meron akong $12,186. Sabi rito, kinakailangan ko lang ng isang S7 sa isang linya plus isang S7 sa kabila pang linya. Tapos $120,000 USDT. 3.9 million na nga yung sales volume ko. So kinakailangan lang dito sa Team Philippines may mag S7. Now pag nag S7 na, yan, S8 na ako. So yan po. Ito S7, ang difference namin ng S6 is 4%. S6, 21% na pupunta sa kanila out of my 25%. So ang difference, kung kukumputin natin yan, kung magkano talaga yung daily income ko ngayon, 3.9 million na lang. So 3.9 million times 0.01. So ang group sales volume ko maabot $39,000 every day profit ng grupo ko. Times 0.04, ang kinikita ko $1,560 na daily. Times ko yan sa 56. kumikita ako 87,000 pesos every day. 87,000 pesos. Ita times ko yan sa 30 days. May pumasok man o wala, kikita ako na 2.6 million every month. Di ba? Pwede na. 2 months lang to. Kaya yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na 4 months to play lang ito. 4 months lang, tutukan nyo lang to for the next 4 months. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, nagmi-minimum kayo rito 7 digits a month in peso. 4 months lang. Tutukan nyo lang to ng 4 months. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. No? So, I'm done with the presentation of Solong. By the way, meron pa pala tayong tinatawag na stockist. Okay, sa stockist natin, it works like this, mga partner. No? Sa stockist natin, ganito. We have 3 different packages. Meron tayong $27,000. Itong $27,000 na to, mamimili ka rin ng worth $27,000 na mga cellphone or gadget. Okay po. Ngayon, ito, pagkatapos mong ma-dispose yung worth $27,000, yung sumunod na mga bibili under your organization, you'll get paid 40% out of the total amount. Ulitin ko you'll get paid 40% out of the total amount. Halimbawa, may bumili $3,000 worth of phone. Sa $3,000 na yan, magkano ang 40%? Ang 40% is $1,200. Oh, di ba? $1,200 to. Kung sa loob ng isang buwan, may bumili ng 10 tagti 3,000 times 10 device in 1 month. So you'll get paid $12,000. Oh, kaya mong kumita sa mga bumibili pa lang ng cellphone, kaya mo nang kumita monthly $12,000 na. Oh, bumalik pa yung $27,000 mo kasi nga binenta mo na yung mga produkto. O, di ba? Babalik yung $27,000 mo. Pwede mo na ngayong i-CPI yan. Yung sumunod, okay, yung sumunod na package is, the next package is $18,000. Sa $18,000 naman po na to, that is 1 million in peso. 30% ka sa lahat ng bumibili ng mga device under your organization. And the last but not the least, $9,000 ka naman sa lahat. $9,000, this is the smallest package for stockist. Meron ka dyan 20% every time na may bumibili ng mga package or ng mga gadget down the line. Good news, kapag ikaw ang nakapag-direct nito, meron po yan outright. Dapat binibigay na yan sa amin ng management pero binibigay ko sa mga leader. 10% outright po ito. No, outright. Hindi nadadaan yan sa system. Outright, 10%. Halimbawa, nakabenta ka ng $9,000. Automatic, may $900 ka na outright. Oh. Tapos dito naman, 1,800. Paano naman sa $27,000? For those who can close a deal worth of $27,000. Okay? Worth $27,000 to Meron kayo dyan 10% outright plus $1,000 pa na tatap-apan ko yung personal account ninyo. $1,000 worth of CPI. Okay? Plus 2,700. So, all in all, kikita ka kaagad yan, $3,700. Magkano $3,700 kapag nakapag-close deal ka ng isang $27,000 package? Oh, 2,700 outright plus 1,000 CPI. Oh, $3,700 times mo na lang yan sa 56. So meron kang 207,000 pesos agad-agad outright. Hindi na masama to, di ba? Ngayon, ladies and gentlemen, I highly advise, i-advise nyo po yung mga partners natin dyan na whoever take this kind of opportunity, please tell them, be patient sa pag-antay ng product kasi inaabot po ito, actually yung sa Surigao natin, inaabot siya ng almost a month. Okay? So sinabi ko sa management ito na sabi ko dapat gawa natin to ng paraan. So nagkausap naman kami ng masinsina ng management team. The most is 2 weeks. Okay? 2 linggo. Sabihin na natin 15 days. Okay? For those na mag-i-stockist, 15 days po. maximum nasa doorstep nyo na yan, marireceive nyo po yan in 15 days. Okay po, 15 days, 2 weeks. Ulitin ko for those who would like to stockist, 2 weeks or 15 days ang aabutin maximum. Nasa doorstep nyo na yan. Doon sa mga huling bumili ngayon, we apologize for the inconvenience, pero na-resolve naman na po natin yan, na-track na namin kung nasaan yung product. Alright? And on the way na siya, nakapasok na siya sa Pilipinas, on the way na po yan sa Surigao, kay Ma'am, basta, yung isa naman kay Ma'am Lynn sa Cagayan de Oro, okay? And then, yung isa na-receive na ng Cabanatuan kasi malapit lang sa NCR sila. Itong isa, tatawid pa mula Manila, papunta ng ano. Sabi ko nga, kung po pwede, puntahan na lang namin sana doon sa cargo house nila para kami na mismo mag-pick up doon and then bitbitin na namin papuntang Surigao at saka Cagayan de Oro. Kasi papunta rin naman kami dyan. Pero mukhang mas mapapabilis ito kung hahayaan na namin sa kanila kasi it will take at least 3 more days. Nasa doorstep na yan ng mga ano natin, ng mga stockist natin. Okay po, nasa amin na yung tracking number and then ipo-forward na lang namin yung tracking number doon sa mga stock holder or stockist natin. Okay po. And then yung management team natin na pag-agreean na rin namin na magpuput up sila rito ng office sa Philippines. So, pinapa-urgent na nila kung ano yung mga kinakailangan na para makapag-put up tayo ng opisina dito sa Pilipinas. So, dyan, inaalam na namin kung ano yung mga kinakailangan nating mga requirements para maisakatuparan natin na magkaroon tayo ng office in the Philippines. Now, I'm done with the presentation.